Much of the equator traverses deep, empty ocean. But in the shallow seas of Indonesia, the tropical sun beats down on the world's greatest area of coral reefs. Coral reefs, created by the sun, overflow with extraordinary life. These reefs of riches are home to over 2,000 fish species. On a single dive, 283 different kinds of fish were counted here. This is a new world record. Even within fish families, there can be huge variety of shape, color, and occupations. The wrasse family boasts 185 members, ranging from imposing giants to delicate cleaners. The whole reef community is so spectacular that it's attracting scientific attention. And of all the groups, most interest centers on corals. The sheer variety of corals is dazzling and confusing. And understanding this diversity could change our understanding of evolution. Why does this marine wonderland exist here, among the islands of Indonesia? The answer is that a unique set of forces converge here. The equatorial sun powers a network of ocean currents flowing through the thousands of islands spread out between Asia and Australia. The main through current is equivalent to the flow of 100 Amazon rivers. But currents flow in all directions, and where they intersect at the western tip of New Guinea are found the richest reefs in the world at a place called Raja Ampat. The forest-covered limestone outcrops are largely untouched. Currents from many directions flow in deep channels and wash the reefs that fringe these islands. The currents are constantly bringing new arrivals to settle on these already crowded reefs. This hawksbill turtle has travelled thousands of kilometres on tropical currents to get here. Most fish have come just as far. From the coast of Africa, the Americas and Japan, all shuffled together, all adding to the richness of life. The canyons and overhangs are vital shelter for schools of juvenile. Feed and grow safe from predators. But the coral itself is also key to Raja Ampat's riches. There are over 400 different corals here. The best known are the branching types called staghorn or acropora. Based on shape, there are 350 acroporas, but by genetic analysis, there are only 170. So, how many are there? And more importantly, what exactly is a species? Corals are helping answer these puzzling questions. Coral reefs can be huge, vast, yet they are created by tiny creatures called polyps. Colonies of polyps build the reefs by secreting limestone. Polyps are animals. They use stinging tentacles to snare food from the current and draw it into their mouths. Staghorns, brain corals and plate corals are the major reef builders, but their impressive growth does not just come